Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be surprising Sean with some new parts for his dirty old 6-liter. So Sean's over here tearing apart,
How the hell do you do
trying
this?
to figure it out.
Well, I know what they do.
I thought you pushed them down.
Oh, they're locked in. That's what it was. Okay, it's been so long since I've done this, buddy. You just did these on yours, right?
Yeah, but mine were the newer style, so they just bolt up here and down there and they just slide out.
This side out, but the issue
Sean,
is
what are you doing?
The other one's buried. I'm trying to get this one high enough. Because now there's one on this side. So I need to try and see if I can. I think we might be okay. Oh, it just locked back in.
It's like a nightmare.
Why is this dumb?
Like, who thought that was a good idea?
Yeah, to have the clip on, like if you just had one side, it'd be plenty.
I don't know what Ford engineer thought this was a good idea.
I know.
Huh, Sean? One right there, and now there is two, I believe they're 5.5s on the bottom.
There's no reason for those clips. Like, why didn't they just use the spring clips like they use on like tranny cables, you know?
How's these come out?
Well, you gotta undo the plastic, spin that off the unit.
Oh, I feel like those are different.
Well, I got trucks around here, so just go ahead.
Hey Sean, what do you think of these lights?
Wait, they don't look bad, but
You're skeptical.
well, I'm just curious to see how long they last.
I mean, I think they'll be all right.
My new haul?
Yeah.
I think it's great. Check it out. Somebody was donating motorcycles, so I said I'll have them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do that one. That's
If not you, me, right?
not you, me, exactly. Buddy. Wow. Nice unit. Can't believe they were free. Keep her going, bud. Beautiful.
Modify Sean's stuff. We need to cut the header panel right here across. These two humps need to go as well.
Yeah, my headlights, I'm gonna hit a bump and they're gonna be like this. Floating, dude.
So on the on the internet it said,
what did we do wrong?
it said that you just had to cut off like a little tab.
Yeah, I didn't say pull your header panel out of the.
But now we have this big hole.
It's just gone, dude.
This
Like
big hole.
the whole thing's gone.
It's
Jesus
just like nothing
Christ.
even there.
Look at this. What is this? I'm gonna get on eBay and buy a new header panel for an 05.
Just break it off.
Stupid, dude.
So I think you'll fit now, Sean.
I hope. Now, we probably made like 12 cuts, like no bullshit, like 12 different cuts. And now my headlights are just.
You gotta make sure the things.
Oh, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. It's
No,
look at it.
it's the things hitting in the back. You're good. The little.
So I need to cut out my sheet metal too.
No. The thing for the LED.
Yeah.
The resistor. You just have to push it through the hole.
Oh, the driver.
Yeah.
Yeah, but look at this. It's like not even close. It's like not even close to my fender.
Well, yeah, it's because
China.
it's pushing on that thing.
It's a question for China. All right, we'll shove it through. Hold on. Let me get some fiber rest in me real quick. Even then, though, it's like not.
What's it hitting?
I have that through the hole.
Oh, it's hitting this up here.
No, buddy. No, wait.
That piece of elastic that you
Oh, I didn't cut that top piece out. I'm about to start cutting the headlight. It is hitting that right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Jesus. Dude, like, there's no way. Look how flimsy. You know, and that is the only strength left is right there. Like, Jesus Christ. Dude, that is the only, like, it's going to be mounted to paper. Look at this. Look at that. That is the only bit of, it's just going to be a piece of paper across there.
What is this? Oh, that's
my tag.
Give her
Yeah, but
just don't cut too much.
you cut every car I own, you've cut a harness off of.
So we saw Sean soldering
Clean
this
up.
because you have to change plugs from the older truck to a newer one. He had a 6.4 in the backyard, luckily enough.
I have 3 of them.
Or he would have been driving around with no front end on his truck.
Because my wife's car is at her parents' house.
Sean, what do you think of your new headlights?
I actually haven't looked at it yet.
Just like stand back.
Buddy. All right, who wants to take bets on how long until they're yellow? I like them though. They look great, brand new.
Well, look at this. This one has like a fish tank going on inside of it.
So honestly, I had these things really nice about a year and a half or so ago. I had them all polished up. I don't know what's going on there. Probably came unsealed, but I can't see shit. And they're just, you know, 2003.
Sean wants
technology.
a just 5% tinted front windshield.
And still be able to see.
Yeah.
Well, I like the tinted windows.
Well, turn the headlights on.
Nobody can see your shit. But now my truck looks like ricey, kind of.
Oh yeah, it looks like a Harley Davidson.
Wait, do they work now? Are these on? The running lights? Or is any light on?
No lights are on.
Well, I have the running lights on. Is that just tail lights? Or is that?
It should be. Well.
Oh, it's because my key's not on.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay, there we go.
Running lights?
Yep. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Jesus. Oh man.
Buddy, I'm gonna piss you
Jesus.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
I'm gonna be able to see some stuff.
Yeah, look at the run. Look at that running light. I wish they had both of these going.
I think they think they do, but
No, that it only has one bulb.
that's just a
reflector. Yeah, turn on the turn signal. Let's see how bright that is. Jesus.
That's not the bright.
Yeah, the brights are, yeah. Like compared to your other one. Oh, look at that.
I need to put some LEDs in the rear now.
I know. What do you think?
That's beautiful. I love it. Now we gotta spend 4 hours in another one. That took us like literally 3 hours. Dude.
Well, it was, you know, the second one's gonna be faster because you're just gonna cut everything out.
I just don't know. And then we need to wire up the plug. So we gotta go. Did you tell him?
What do you think?
I don't know. It looks better, but it looks.
We need to go like drive around, but you're in trouble right now. So.
Oh, actually, we need to level them. So yeah, let's move the shit and back this thing up and close the garage.
What? Oh. Man. Jesus.
How far back should I be?
I think like 5 feet.
So like, tell me when. That's probably on the side.
No, like way further back than that.
That's probably 5 feet.
Keep going. Keep going. You put your tire on this line for like
Oh my God.
a little bit more. Look, those are easy to adjust. Go to like to the crack.
So my driveway goes uphill. I feel like that's kind of low.
Well, then just like, I don't know, then just match this one to the other one. Oh, Miller season.
Put the lights on.
What?
Oh, that's my fog lights.
What?
That's fogs.
What do you mean it's fogs?
That's my fog lights. I need bulbs for those too. Put the brights on.
That was the brights.
No.
Yeah, look from back here when you turn them on and off.
The only one does something.
Well, I think maybe that wiring on the other one. Do it. Yeah, I think it's the wiring on this one maybe. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you have the wiring mashed right there.
Where?
Well, it's just not mashed.
So we're finally finished installing the headlights and a bunch of bulbs into Sean's dirty old 6-liter. You can actually see now, so you can get that 5% tint on your windshield like the high school racer you are.
I can't wait to be able to drive at night and be able to not be blind.
Yeah, not hit deers.
I almost did. Those headlights they're terrible.
Yeah.
You know what I will do is I'll sell them to somebody on eBay.
Yeah. The fish tank you got right there in your hand.
Yeah, it will dry out by the time I sell it though.
Yeah, you'll put it in your dishwasher. That also doesn't work.
Yeah, I will.
But I'm gonna end the video here. Big shout out to Sunset because they sent the lights, they sent the LED bulbs. Sean actually has some, you know, headlights that you can see from. So I just got back home from Sean's house and it was really cool that I was able to get him some better headlights for his truck, because driving around in his truck with the old factory headlights, you couldn't see anything. And now the new LED ones, they're just night and day difference. Really excited. And he was pretty excited, other than like cutting up the header panel, but that is a common mod for older 7.3s and older 6-liters, is to cut it up or put a new header panel in. So you can put the newer style lights in. It makes the truck look a ton better. But I'm going to end the video here. And if you like these videos, make sure to click the subscribe button, throw a thumbs up, throw a comment below. As always, see you guys next time.